Ever wondered what secrets the universe, vast and mysterious, holds that we have not yet uncovered? Each twinkling star, each swirl of a galaxy, each cosmic nebula represents only a tiny fraction of the universe's grandeur. Despite our impressive leaps in technology and understanding, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of the celestial sphere's enigma. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, peering into the depths, knowing that there is a whole world beneath the surface that we can't see. That's how we stand in relation to the universe. We see the stars, the galaxies, the beautiful nebulae, but they make up only about 5% of the universe. So what is the other 95%? Meet the invisible giants of the cosmos, dark matter and dark energy. These unseen forces are not just the stuff of science fiction, they are real and they are everywhere. Dark matter, although invisible and undetectable, exerts a gravitational pull on galaxies, helping them keep their shape and preventing them from flying apart. On the other hand, dark energy, a mysterious force, is pushing the universe to expand at an ever-increasing rate. It's like an invisible hand, constantly stretching the fabric of space-time, leading to a universe that's not just expanding, but accelerating in its expansion. Yet the irony is, we know next to nothing about these dark entities. They remain as elusive as they are influential. We can't see them, can't touch them, and can't detect them with our most sophisticated instruments. Yet their presence is undeniable. They're the phantom architects of the universe, shaping galaxies and driving the universe's expansion. So we stand at the edge of a vast cosmic ocean, peering into the depths of the unseen universe, armed with questions and fueled by curiosity. As we push the boundaries of our understanding, we realize that the more we know, the more there is to discover. Without even seeing it, we know it's there, shaping the universe in ways we're just beginning to understand. Imagine you could hear the echoes of the Big Bang, the birth of the universe. Incredible, isn't it? Well, that's what the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, essentially is. It's not sound, of course, but it's the oldest light we can detect. A snapshot of the universe when it was just a baby, a mere 380,000 years old. The discovery of the CMB was quite the happy accident. In the mid-1960s, two radio astronomers named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson were trying to eliminate all sources of noise from their radio telescope, but there was this persistent hum, a whisper really, coming from every direction in the sky. After ruling out everything from pigeon droppings to the possibility of an alien disco party, they realized what they were hearing was the afterglow of the Big Bang. Talk about a eureka moment. Now, why is the CMB so important? Well, it's the earliest light we can observe. Before it, the universe was like a hot, dense soup of particles, too chaotic for light to travel. When it finally cooled down enough for atoms to form and light to shine through, that's the light we see as the CMB. It's like the universe's baby photo. Adorable, isn't it? But it's not just a cute keepsake. The CMB holds clues about the universe's early life and its future. The tiny fluctuations in its temperature tell us about the density variations that eventually led to the formation of galaxies. They also help us estimate the age of the universe, its shape, and the amount of dark matter and dark energy it contains. Pretty impressive for a baby photo, don't you think? So, every time you look up at the sky, remember that you're not just seeing stars and planets. You're seeing a cosmic dance that started 13.8 billion years ago, and you're hearing the echoes of its first notes. In this whisper from the past, we find clues about the universe's infancy and its future. What if you could feel the ripples from cosmic collisions billions of light years away? Now let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're not quite there yet, but we're closer than you might think. In 2015, the world of astrophysics was set ablaze with the discovery of gravitational waves. But what are these waves? They're not quite like the waves you surf or the ones you make when you drop a pebble in a pond. These are ripples in the fabric of space-time itself, caused by violent cosmic events. Imagine this, you've got two black holes, each several times the mass of our sun, spiraling towards each other at nearly the speed of light. When they finally collide, they send out a shock wave that travels across the universe. This shock wave, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call a gravitational wave. Now, capturing these waves is no easy task. It's akin to hearing the faintest whisper in the midst of a rock concert. But with the help of the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO for short, scientists were able to detect these elusive waves for the first time. This discovery opened up a whole new way of observing the universe. You see, until then we were somewhat like a person trying to understand the world by only using their sense of sight. But with the discovery of gravitational waves, it's as if we've just developed the ability to hear. And what a symphony it is. With each new detection, we learn more about the universe's most violent events. Black hole collisions, neutron-star mergers, and perhaps even the Big Bang itself. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. We're not just seeing the cosmos, we're feeling it. We're sensing the tremors of cosmic cataclysms that happened billions of years ago. Like feeling the vibrations of a distant drum, we're now tuned into the rhythms of the cosmos. And who knows what secrets these cosmic rhythms might reveal in the years to come. Ever felt like we're not alone in the universe? Well, you're not the only one. Over the past few decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. And with each new discovery, we edge closer to answering that age-old question: is there life out there? To date, our telescopes have peered into the farthest reaches of the cosmos, revealing a vast array of exoplanets. Some are gas giants, much like Jupiter, while others are rocky, Earth-like worlds. And among these, a select few reside in the Goldilocks zone, a region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. These are the worlds that truly capture our interest. For where there's water, there might just be life. But finding an exoplanet is one thing. Determining if it's habitable is another. Scientists use a myriad of criteria to assess a planet's habitability. These include the planet's size and composition, its distance from its star, and whether it has an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Even then, finding a planet that ticks all the boxes doesn't guarantee the presence of life. It merely suggests that the conditions could be right. So the search continues, with new missions like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope poised to take a closer look at these distant worlds. This next-generation telescope will enable us to study exoplanet atmospheres in greater detail, potentially detecting signs of life such as methane or oxygen. It's a thrilling time to be alive as we stand on the precipice of potentially life-altering discoveries. Each new exoplanet brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we gaze upon these distant worlds, we might just find the answers to one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? What does the future hold for our cosmic journey? As we delve into the unknown, this question becomes more pertinent than ever. The vast cosmos, filled with its myriad mysteries, awaits our exploration, and we, as curious explorers, are gearing up for the journey. Let's begin with the James Webb Space Telescope, an upcoming marvel of human ingenuity. Slated for launch, this advanced observatory is expected to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb is designed to observe the universe in infrared, allowing it to look further back in time and space. This means it's primed to capture the first galaxies born after the Big Bang, and maybe even the birth of stars and planets. Talk about a cosmic time machine. Now let's shift gears to another fascinating front: the search for dark matter particles. Dark matter, despite making up approximately 85% of the universe, remains one of the biggest enigmas in cosmology. We know it's there because of its gravitational effects, but we've yet to detect it directly. Several experiments worldwide are hunting for these elusive particles, hoping to finally bring them into the light. If successful, this could rewrite our understanding of the universe's fundamental nature. But it's not just about looking into the past or the unseen. The future of space exploration also involves our own journey into the cosmos, with organizations like NASA, SpaceX, and Blue Origin leading the charge. We're dreaming of setting foot on Mars, revisiting the moon, and maybe even venturing beyond the confines of our solar system. So, as we stand on the cusp of this new era, we can't help but marvel at the possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, Who knows what mysteries we will uncover next in this grand cosmic voyage?